up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally rebuilding two of my Blitz Type 3s. As mentioned in the previous video, I re-lipped them and kept the barrel the same, went a little bit smaller of a lip so the wheels will fit on the JZX 100 and also the RX-7. So we're gonna dive right into it. We have this dope tool we're gonna be using called the Spinna. My boy Aiden makes these. I'll put his IG handle down in the description or on the screen here. We'll be rebuilding these. We have 24 karat gold hardware. I think it's like gold plated, I don't know. It's probably definitely not solid gold. No way, right Bailey?
That would be way too expensive if it was solid gold.
But either way, it's pretty icy. So I got the lips right here. Crack these open and we'll get right into it. We finished the first wheel, looked super good, stoked on it, came out kosher. We ruined one of the nuts by torquing it, kind of happens. So we're gonna replace that and then go on to the second one. Fun fact, these were obviously triple chromed. So I've had polished wheels in the past, but polished wheels are not fun to clean. So we now go with chroming. My boy Lee Cruz, he's in California, he chromed them. So I just had him redo the lips as well. The new lips, I should say. Both wheels are torqued. Time for silicone. This is my first time actually siliconing three-piece wheels together. So not only am I in for a treat, but so are you guys. pretty good.
It doesn't look bad.
Hopefully it holds air. I'm pretty proud of this.
It looks for doing it your first time. It doesn't
Yeah.
look bad at all.
I didn't know how much I was supposed to use, but I mean, it looks like pretty even. Alright, update. We got the silicone in and on. We ended up getting a couple other opinions on it, and my wheel builder approved. He actually said we did perfect, so that's reassuring. We went through and added a second layer just to be safe. From our understanding, we want to keep the silicone in kind of the crevice, so like the tire won't grab it when you go to mount a tire on it. I feel like we obtained that, which is super dope. And now we're gonna add the valve stems, and then we should be finished. I don't know. I think this car looks so clean without it. But for Gallenberg purposes, I kind of want to throw this on. Someone help.
I think it'll look cool, but at the same time, I think it looks cleaner without it.
Yeah. Drop a comment down below. Tell us. Do we run this for Gallenberg or not? It looks just like this, but it's silver. We need help. It's a sticker. We could always remove it, right? That is a wrap for today's video. We got the Blitz wheels all done. Super stoked on it. We ended up torquing these down to, what was it, 20 pounds? It was like a little over 20, like 22. And then we torqued the valve stem down to 20 pounds also. So figured that we'd throw that in there just in case anybody is trying to learn a thing or two off the video and build wheels themselves. Nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel immensely. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.